How much experience/trading knowledge would you say one should have before diving in and trading a product like binary for forex? Would you say it requires more dedication and practice than traditional trading in order to be successful with binary options? Travis?
Yeah, it's a great question. So I'd throw the question back at you, like how much experience do you need to run a marathon? I mean, you don't necessarily need any experience. You can get started, but it's all about how you get started, right? So if you take a marathon as an example, if it's your first time running a marathon, you're probably not going to go out the door and run 26.2 miles day one. You're going to start small, and you're going to work your way up over time. So there is that process that's involved. Trading in general, and I don't care if it's a stock, a binary, an equity option, a future, whatever the case may be, as you're getting started and you're learning a new skill, it's best to start small, it's best to practice, it's best to educate yourself and grow into it over time as you step into that process and you let that process live the course of its life. So you can't rush the process. In a lot of ways, you've got to fall in love with the process. So does trading a binary option require the same process and the same length of a process as trading an equity option or a future or a stock? Yeah, I mean, I think it deserves the same amount of attention that any of those asset classes demand.